Welcome to Phuket Nature Elephant Reserve. It's located in Darang district of Phuket. This place has half-day programs, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. To plan your visit, please go onto their website and book your visit ahead of time. Once you have done your booking, the reserve will send further information and reminders prior to your visit, so you will be prepared for your fun day with the elephants and the park. For me, I schedule a visit in the afternoon, which is from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is their dining area. We're gonna have lunch here before we start other activities. There goes my new friend of the day. Look how happy she is. This is one of the elephants at Phuket Nature Elephant Reserve. Her name is Lotus. Someone is having a relaxing time. So first, I'm going to learn how to make pad thai. And here it is. Then I'm making my tom yum soup. So I made my own lunch. Not the spring rolls, not the watermelon, but alright, I'll give it a try now. After lunch, it's time to get to work. Here's Mr. O, my tour guide of the day. We will start with chopping sugar canes, one of the elephants' favorite treats. These are the shelters where the elephants will sleep at night. When we're just going to start walking with Lotus, it started raining. Elephants love the rain though.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, you want one more?
Yeah, she wants all of it.
Oh, she's chewing, huh?
Walking behind me here is Lotus's mahout. For elephants in sanctuaries, each has a mahout. Because most elephants in sanctuaries were already domesticated and got used to being around humans, after they were saved and now are living in sanctuaries, they will still be provided with mahouts to take care of them one-on-one. After doing some hiking,
Yeah, I boiled it one time already.
Oh, okay.
So it's already cooked a little bit.
we're now going to make another elephant treat, vitamin rice balls. They have ingredients such as pumpkins, bananas, rice, and vitamins for the elephants. Hi girlie, she knows what's up.
It's big.
Oh, this is a big one. Whoa. Okay, last one.
Now we're going to handle some elephant poop. This is actually elephant poop collected by the staff that will be recycled and made into colored paper.
Ah, wow. So even. You're professional.
Yeah. I'm learning also. I'm learning for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Colors.
And now it's my turn.
So we give it to you as a present.
Oh, thank you so much.
Now it's time for Lotus to take a mud bath.
for them the mud are like lotion, yeah.
Oh, okay.
To keep their skin moist.
Yeah.
When they are getting old like this, their skin are getting thinner
Yeah.
compared to young elephant. The young
Yeah.
elephant are having quite thick skin.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Horse fries.
What is?
It's a fries that really big, like this size. So
Oh.
usually it bite them and then suck the blood.
Oh, really?
Usually the elephant hate them, yeah. Chase them away,
Oh.
blow them.
Yeah.
Look at.
And scratching time.
So these three we intentionally put it over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
We usually put it over there for the elephant,
Oh, okay.
like scratching themselves.
Yeah.
So that's it for my half-day afternoon visit at Phuket Nature Elephant Reserve. Thanks to the reserve and their staff, and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. I would also like to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, go ahead to press the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you will be notified for the next video of my Elephant Friends series. Also feel free to share the video if you happen to have any friends or family members who are planning to visit Phuket and any of the elephant sanctuaries on the island. And if you have any thoughts or experience you would like to share, shoot me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.